Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join a Skribbl EO private game. To begin, you'll need to get the unique invitation link or a 4-character private code directly from the person hosting the game. This is the only way to access their specific room. Make sure you have this information ready, as it's essential for the next steps. Without it, you won't be able to find or enter their private drawing and guessing session. So, reach out to your friend and get that link or code. Once you have the invitation link, joining is super straightforward. Simply open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and paste the entire link directly into the address bar at the top. After pasting, just hit the Enter key. This action will automatically direct you to the private Skribbl EO game room, connecting you with your friends instantly. It's a quick and efficient way to jump right into the fun without any extra steps. If you received a 4-character private code instead of a link, no worries. First, go to the main Skribbl EO website. On the home page, look for a button or section labeled Join Private Room. Click on this and a small box will appear. Carefully type the 4-character code into this input field. Double-check that you've entered it correctly, then click the Join button. You'll then be transported directly into your friend's private game, ready to draw and guess. To ensure a smooth experience, here are a few important tips. If you're having trouble joining, always double-check the link or code with your host. A single incorrect character can prevent entry. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid disconnections during gameplay. If the page isn't loading, try refreshing your browser or even switching to a different one, like Edge or Safari. Remember, Skribbl EO is entirely browser-based, so there are no applications to download or install, making it super accessible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.